Woo.
I don't know, that was my first duck.
First shot, first duck.
Y'all kill that duck.
What are we doing? We going hunting? I got into waterfowl hunting later in life. So having the chance to take a youth and experience that excitement with their dad, with their grandpa, I didn't have that growing up.
Hey, youngins, it's young ones and old ones today. Give it some.
Let me tell you something, guys. This weekend was very, very special to me. 3 generations out there hunting. I had myself as a veteran. I had my son as a mentor. I had my granddaughter as a youth. You ready?
I didn't touch it.
You ready to get them?
Let's go
That's what I'm
get
talking about. All right, we better load up. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
You got over here's a duck call.
It's on your neck right here, baby girl. Here. See, that's why you wear that. Put your life jacket on.
Wait, I have to hold my sleeve.
Y'all look at me, ladies.
I haven't even got my camo on.
Here you go.
Can you wait a
It's
second?
Dakota.
Just give me a second, okay? Alright, now you're getting wet.
It's okay.
Let them know we're here.
We get out there this morning. We've got 3 young girls with us. We've got our lights running, and it is super foggy. I mean, I cannot see 15 feet in front of me. I'm a little bit worried about having the girls in the boat with us, but you know what? It all worked out.
Here, I'll show you, okay? You take it and throw it like that, okay? I'll get you a new one. Whoa.
Just maybe like...
Here, let's go over here. Here, let me pick you up. Give that a good toss over there.
Throw it.
Good job. Okay, you gonna stay right there? Stay right there. I'll get to another one. What's going on? It's Arkansas's youth hunt / veterans. Myself, I identify as a 12-year-old today. So I'll be, no, I'm just joking. I'm a veteran. We got Hadley, Matt's daughter. She's gonna be on a gun. We have Avery, my daughter. She's tentative, so we'll see what she does. And then fat ass up there, he's also a veteran, so he'll be shooting. Dakota didn't make the boat ride. That's all right though. And what do you think, Matt?
If this wind stays true, things happen like they have the opening split, we're gonna put these kids on some birds.
That's what I'm talking about. The wind should be off our back, correct?
Should be off our back. They should be doing it in our face.
Nice.
Should be right.
That's what I'm talking about. So,
So
we
dirty.
got dirty, hopefully. We got a couple things we got to finish up. Shooting light's gonna be here in just a couple minutes, so stay tuned, y'all.
So you're gonna put the dot right on them, and then when you're ready, you're gonna pull the trigger, just like shooting a deer, okay? Going into this hunt, I really had high hopes. Coming off a strong first split, 138 birds in 6 hunts. Got a week's worth of rest, taking the kids. Got Dad Alex, 2 vets, 3 little girls coming too.
You got it.
Oh,
You got one.
nice. Leave it. Good job.
Hey, girlfriend.
Your gun is worse than mine.
Good job. Look, Hadley got it.
Your gun's worse than mine. It got my finger too. It got my
job,
shoulder and my
girl.
finger.
That's what I'm talking about.
How'd that make you feel?
I don't know. That was my first shot.
Yeah, you did.
That's what I'm talking about.
First shot, first duck.
I got to watch my granddaughter kill her very first duck. It was a woody. It was Drake. But I tell you, I couldn't be more proud.
Libby, heel. No. It's alive. Okay. No. He's alive. The stick is alive.
What you got? You
It's
got a wood
alive.
duck?
It's
Let me see that bad boy.
no go.
What do you think about that?
It's nice. That'll look good next to yours. Oh,
You think we need to mount this one?
Yeah.
yeah.
Need to go right next to the widgeon?
Ooh.
I think you're right.
I think that'll look good next to a widgeon.
So you
How
put.
does it finish it?
So you take this,
Yeah.
you stick it in the back of their head. I know it sounds kind of gross, but it.
Yeah.
It's rather than them dying
Yep.
slowly.
And you turn it like a key,
Yeah.
and then that's it.
He's trying to slap you in the
Yeah.
face.
Yeah, that's just their muscles moving.
Yep. Hey, Blue. Pitch it up. Boy. Go, boy.
Daddy, can that
Come on, Blue.
please be
Go.
my duck?
Yeah, you can load him.
Here.
Go,
Oh,
boy.
that's a mallard.
Come on.
You got a
Blue.
mallard, Dad. Oh, keep moving.
All right, pick it up. Go, boy. A good shoot.
I asked my daddy.
Just
Over right here.
Hold him on his neck.
Why is his eye gone?
Can you just hold him?
Turn him in the eye. Look, Dad.
Look who woke up.
Can I touch it? Touch it. Oh.
What do you think about that? Is that good? Yeah. Are you excited? How's the boat ride?
Did you fall asleep?
Did you get a little nap in? Hey, did somebody just fart over there?
Hey,
Did Avery fart?
Avery farting.
Avery, we all heard that.
So the question that I have for you, what was the biggest obstacle you feel like you had to overcome bringing your kid out there?
Without a doubt. Turning the switch from being there for myself to letting it be about her. Having to find that dividing line, making sure that my frustrations because the birds didn't work right, decoy perfect, no flaring, 20 years experience here on it, second youth hunt for her. My frustrations could very easily ruin that, and that was tough to try to. We had moments. I had to get on to her a couple times, but she learned, she gave the effort, and she killed.
To possibly have my daughters, want to go and learn it is like, wow, that's amazing to me. Granted, today I got a little frustrated with Avery. Because kind of like what Matt was saying, trying to make it more about them and not, getting the limits and everything like that. There was that fine line because you want it to be a successful hunt. You want the birds to come in. You want them to work. You want the kids to have the opportunity to shoot the ducks. You need to know, or the kids need to know, like, hey, you gotta sit still, you gotta be quiet, you can't move, you can't overcall, there's a lot of things that a duck will flare on. And so trying to get that through their little heads at the same time as trying to get the ducks to do what we want them to do